Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with EasyPost for shipping labels step by step clearly. To get started with EasyPost, open your web browser. Go to the EasyPost website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. You will be redirected to a sign-up form. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password and confirm it. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link. Once verified, return to the EasyPost website and log in. Enter your email and password in the login fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. Upon logging in, you will be taken to your EasyPost dashboard. Locate the API Keys section on the dashboard. Click on the Create a new API Key button. Enter a name for your API key for easy identification. Click on Create API Key. Your new API key will be generated and displayed on the screen. Copy your API key and store it securely. Next, locate the Shipping tab in the sidebar menu. Click on the Shipping tab to manage your shipping settings. Add your shipping origin address by clicking on Add Address. Fill in the required fields for your shipping address. Click Save to confirm your address. You can now proceed to create shipping labels. Go back to the dashboard and click on Create Shipment. Fill in the shipment details such as weight and dimensions. Enter the recipient's address in the designated fields. Select your preferred shipping carrier from the options available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.